Hey everybody, welcome back for another nail art tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this fun floral design. I used Olive and June JJ. This is the polish that is from their new fall collection and it's one of my top picks for fall. And then I also used HCG here. I used MG, JO, and I mixed CNH and Honest and True to get that really unique blue fall shade. HCG is a really great neutral base, and so I use that color for that. And then I like to do a layer of top coat before I do nail art at times, just because it just goes on a little bit better. And you can see me doing that there. And now I'm coming in after that's dried with my Winstonia brush, and I'm just going to do these little oak shaped leaves. So I'm just going to do a little dollop on the middle and on each side, and then I pull the brush down after I do that little dollop, and then I'm going to do a dollop and then pull that down, and that gives you a perfect little stem, and then you can round out any edges that you want. I disperse them evenly across the tips of my nails, and you can just kind of look at your design and see where you need to fill them in. Just so you know, I didn't do more than 2 on each nail and maybe like 1.5 on a nail. You're going to have other designs on it and you don't want to do too much. Less is always more with designs like this. And I'll let you take a look here and see how I disperse those throughout the nail. And I'll finish my pinky. Now that my pinky's done, I'm going to come in after I've cleaned my brush and some acetone, and I'm going to mix these two colors together, CNH and Honest and True, and I just want that nice periwinkle blue that's more fall leaning in my opinion, and I'm just going to do a little flower up on this nail. So I did about 1 flower on each and then maybe a few little polka dots. Remember, you don't want to do too much or get a little too crazy. And now I'm going to come in with this other color and I'm going to do these little leaves. So they have like 3 leaves to each stem, and then I just did the one here, and you kind of just want to look and see what spaces you want to fill. And like I said, less is more. Don't do too much. I did like to have a few of them going a little bit further down my nail. And then I'm going to come in with JO. This is the lighter color, and I'm just going to make this little accent here. And now that I'm finished and it's dry, I'm going to come in with my top coat. My favorite one to use is Glisten and Glow. I always use that one. It's my favorite top coat. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You can also do this design with just a few design accent nails, or you can do them all. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.